Sugar 8 is a roll-up release for on-premise customers. So late summer, early fall, Sugar announced their new release schedule with quarterly releases for on-demand customers and a once-a-year release for on-premise customers. And part of that annual on-premise release is that it's obviously going to include any of the new features that came out in the previous cloud-only or on-demand-only releases. So in this case, if you are an on-premise customer, when you upgrade to Sugar 8, you're not only getting the new features that we're talking about today from Sugar 8, but you're also getting the new features from version 7.10 and 7.11, or alternately called the Fall 17 and Winter 18 releases, depending on which naming convention you want to use. We have talked in depth about those features in previous user groups, so I don't want to go too far into those today, just kind of high-level reminders. That's going to include shareable dashboards, drill down into dashboard charts, converting the emails and contracts modules to the sidecar user interface, the new look and feel that came out in 7.11 with the new color scheme and new fonts and all that good fun stuff, the product catalog dashlet for quoting that came out in 7.11, as well as the need to register any custom platforms that you're using for integrations. There is a new admin tool in version 8 to make that registration process easier. So whereas in version 7.11 you had to update or upload a module package through the module loader, in Sugar 8 they're introducing an admin tool where you can simply just type in the name of your custom platform in order to allow that platform to connect to your Sugar instance. So if you do have any integrations and you are upgrading to version 7.11 or version 8.0, please do make sure you keep that in mind. You need to allow those integrations access to your Sugar API. Otherwise, the API is going to start blocking them and your integration will stop working. One of the other features that is included in version 8.0 are some enhancements to the product catalog dashlet that first came out in 7.11. So in version 7.11, the product catalog dashlet works with quotes. In version 8.0, they're expanding that to work with any other modules in Sugar, in particular anywhere that has revenue line items connected to it. So on the Opportunity Create screen, on the Opportunity or Account Record views, and read-only form available from anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. If I can find the button to do that. There it is. And pull up Sugar 8. And the first thing I'm going to do is create a new opportunity here. And this is a Sugar instance that's got the revenue line items feature enabled. That is a Sugar Enterprise and above feature, so you might not know what revenue line items are if you're using Professional. That's okay, this just wouldn't apply to you then. And what the new product catalog dashlet will do in version 8.0 is allow you to add products to an opportunity right from the widget. So I can click on any of these products, and it's going to go ahead and automatically populate revenue line items for me for my opportunity based off of the catalog information. So the pricing and the other information that's available from the catalog, instead of me having to search on a line-by-line basis to add those products in, making that much faster and easier for me. I go ahead and just fill out some required fields here. We can save our new opportunity with those revenue line items attached to it. And if I need to go back and add additional products after I've initially created my opportunity, I can use the product catalog dashlet for that as well. So if I want to add this desktop to it, that's going to just pop up the revenue line item create screen for me to finish filling out the rest of the revenue line item data. And I can, again, quickly and easily get that added to my opportunity as a revenue line item. The dashlet does work from any screen, so if I was looking at, say, my opportunity list view, I can have the product catalog dashlet displayed here. It just obviously doesn't have the context where it would make sense to add revenue line items from it, so it's really just display-only purpose. If you're wanting to look at your catalog and see what products you have in there or anything like that, you can go ahead and view the product catalog from anywhere. But The only place where it would have the functionality of adding revenue line items is places where it would make sense.